Does time seem to be going so fast for you? I know it is for me. I'm over 60 now. I had been at one job for over 30 years and still not any further ahead than I was back in my 30s or so. And that is one of the reasons why I looked in through the years of what I've learned, things that I've learned, I put into a system. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get this system set up for you for free and be able to use the system to build your list and have follow-up emails going out. You can promote any program with this, okay? But what I've learned over the years is you're never going to get ahead if you keep jumping from program to program. You need to find something solid that's been around for years and stick with it. Okay, now if you have other programs that you're building and growing, that's fine, but you need something as your solid base that people know or have heard of before, or can say, hey, that's been around for over 27 years. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so let's look at the system that I've set up for everyday people to have success online. That's what I've been so focused on because time is fast. I mean, look at it. It's already the summertime. Summertime's almost done. It's August right now, the middle of August. Okay? And when you decide to join me, when you decide to join my team, I will set the system up for you for free, okay? Which means you get capture pages set up, you get the rotator set up. I have a training video on very simple, easy on how to add people to your rotator as you begin to grow, okay? The follow-up system is in place. You get help getting started, all right? And you get the ability to benefit from my team traffic, okay? So there's so many benefits like this. And like I said, if you want more information, you can just go to this link below this video, okay? Put your email in there and the information will come to you. More information about this whole system will come to you. And then this is the page you're going to come up to. And then you put your email in there and it's going to come up to this. Okay, watch this video. If you're thinking, well, I've heard of GDI before, you'll only earn, blah, 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 blah. No, watch this video. You'll be surprised what a little $10 company can build you over time as you're growing this, even if you don't have any other business but GDI. Now, if you do, it's important to build your list. And that's what this is. This build also helps your team to grow. Also, while they're learning too, because this online, it's a never-ending process. I'm so excited. Everything that I've learned over the years and I've put it into the system. Okay, and now I'm offering it to you for free. So as I said before, you get the capture pages, you get the follow-up emails, and I send you the training. So you can also send yourself out a broadcast email too. When you opt in to right here, I'm going to tell you a little secret right now. When you opt into right here and you're on this list, when you see a broadcast of mine go out, you simply copy this broadcast message right here. And then once I've set your system up for you, I give you a page just like this with all your links in it. Okay, so when people come down here, the next steps are right here. I also give you the welcome email with everything that you need to say in it. There's nothing left to chance here. Okay, your links, your rotators would be right here. Okay, I also give you the link in the welcome email to my uplines rotator that you can join that. All right, and then you have this nice little video right there going over it, and then this gets you the system. This is multiple income streams. This is Leads League. This is how the whole system is built, okay? And then you get contact information down there. All right. You need a system to have success online. You need a follow-up system. People almost never join with you the first time they see your advertisement, wherever they see it, whether it's a blog, whether it's in an email sent to them, whether it's a safe list email, a solo ad email, whatever the case may be. They almost never join immediately the first time. They need, it said, 6 to 7 times or more of getting an email sent to you, because an email follow-up series builds trust. All right, and that's what this does. They get to know you. If they have any questions, they can reply back. It's so nice and easy. Okay, but this is when I send a broadcast out, copy the broadcast and send out your info. Just replace my info with your info, my link with your link, and you can send out a broadcast to your list too. Okay, and if you have other programs you're in, other things you're doing, you can also send that out to your list too. Just remember, you need a foundational program that's been around for 20 plus years, that's been paying every month, every week consistently. Okay, GDI has paid me monthly for years. Okay, this is a solid company. All right, if you want to try other things on the side, that's fine, but make sure you have a foundational company. All right, and then you get this whole system set up by me. Now, Lead Sleep, when you come to this right here, you can join Lead Sleep right here. Just scroll down right here. This is where you join Lead Sleep. Just click that button. You can join for free. When you're a free member, you only are added one welcome email to your email series, though, okay? If you're an upgraded member, then you get the whole email series added. So if you're a free member, you only get one welcome email that goes out. Then the rest of it needs to be broadcast messages on your part to stay in contact with your list. All right, if you're an upgraded member, then you can have the email series. We can also put your picture on here. It's branding you. Everybody gets their name put on there. But if you're a free member, they won't allow me to add your picture on here. Okay, so that's, you won't get your branding. And then also down here, you have your name and branding right down here. If you have a YouTube channel or a Facebook, you can also put down here second primary income stream. You can also put that down there. If you want, but it's so easy. Choose where you want to come in. Step 1, 2, and 3 to send me your GDI username and the sponsor who you signed up with, because these are rotators. There are many people on my team that are on this rotator, and there are some people on my team that are on this rotator. The premium rotator has less people on it than the basic rotator. That's why you get added to 3 rotators. Premium members get added to all 3 rotators. The basic members get this rotator and my uplines rotator. Okay, so that's it for today. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. And this is how you get the system set up for you for free. Okay, the money's in the list, though. If you're going to be serious about this and treat this like a business and not a hobby, I encourage you to, when you join, you have to join Lead Sleep, whether free or upgraded. But the upgraded, you get to add the email series in there, okay, which is almost 40 days of emails that are going out that are already written and I set up for you. I put your sales page in the link in the email series for you, okay, and you can also have your picture on there. You're getting branded from the system for your system. Okay. God bless, take care, and have a wonderful end of your summer.